Hey, welcome back to the Vincent AI. Today I've got something really magical for you. Imagine stepping into a city of robots and making friends with a robot sidekick, all brought to life with a few clicks and zero art skills needed. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, because by the end, you'll discover a trick that'll make your animations pop. All right, let's get into it. You can follow along by sharing your screen, just like I'm doing right here. Step 1. Story idea. A magical dream with robots. Our main character is Emma, an adventurous girl. Today, Emma finds herself in front of the massive gate to a robot city, amazed by the sights. I love using imagination for these stories, but you can swap in your own twist anytime. Step 2. Create a character reference image. Emma. Let's pop open Nanobanana in the browser. Head to the Image Generation feature. Here's my prompt. Draw a 10-year-old girl with slightly messy black hair, big eyes, fair skin, and a cute face. She is wearing a blue t-shirt, standing in front of a neutral light background. Pixar cartoon style, natural lighting, cheerful expression. Hit Generate. Just like that, you have Emma ready to embark on her adventure. If the face or outfit isn't quite right, don't stress. Just tweak the prompt and try again. Have you ever wished you could see what a story in your head looks like? AI makes it possible, instantly. Step 3. Scene 1. Emma enters the robot city. Now let's create the first scene. Emma stepping into the city, looking astonished. Type into Nanobanana. Cartoon girl Emma, mouth open in awe, standing at a giant glowing gate. Lots of friendly-looking robots walking by. Neon lights everywhere. Click Generate and save this image for the video. Step 4. Scene 2. Emma meets Robo, her robot friend. Ready for the next scene? I'll enter Emma meets a small friendly robot named Robo. Robo is short, has a boxy head, with big LED eyes, waving hello at Emma. Futuristic background, playful vibes. One click and you have your new AI best friend. Step 5. Scene 3. The Robot Marketplace Tour. Now for something fun. Emma and Robo exploring a bustling robot market. Vendors are quirky robots selling glowing gadgets, electronic snacks, and strange tech. Lights everywhere, everyone happy. You're building your story frame by frame, and trust me, this is where it gets addictive. Step 6. Scene 4. Fun in the robot park. Next up, let's show them having fun together. Emma and Robo riding a futuristic roller coaster in a robot amusement park. Bright colors, other robots playing games, fireworks in the sky. Just imagine the people you could surprise with these scenes. Step 7. Scene 5. The dream reveal. And finally, the twist. Emma waving goodbye to Robo at sunset, city glowing softly. Next image, Emma wakes up in her cozy room with a smile, sunlight coming through the window. It was all a dream. You've just scripted a beautiful mini-movie, and each image brings your story to life. Step 8. Animate the story with image-to-video AI. Head over to your favorite image-to-video tool. I'll use Google V3 for this. Upload the scene images in order. Then add short captions for animation. Think, Emma walks through gate, or Robo waves at Emma. AI will do the rest, turning your stills into a flowing animation. Here are the examples I'll use for Emma's adventure. Emma walks through the robot city gates, looking amazed. Robo waves hello as Emma smiles and steps forward. Emma and Robo explore the lively robot market, looking around curiously. Emma and Robo ride a roller coaster together, laughing as fireworks go off. Emma waves goodbye to Robo as the sun sets, then wakes up in her room, smiling. Step 9. Add voiceover and edit final video. For an awesome finish, you can use AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs or Google's built-in voices. Paste short lines for each scene, like, "Whoa, I've never seen so many robots," or "Robo, you're awesome."
Wow, this robot city is incredible. I've never seen anything like it. Hi there. Are you Robo? You look so friendly. Whoa, look at all these cool gadgets. This place is amazing. This roller coaster is awesome. Hold on tight, Robo. Goodbye, Robo. Thanks for the adventure. Wait, was it all just a dream?
Upload audio tracks to CapCut or your editor of choice. Align them, and add subtitles or background music if you want.
Super easy, right? Now you have everything you need to craft your own animated adventure, even if you've never drawn a thing in your life. If this inspired you, give this video a like, leave a comment if you want to see more wild AI tutorials, and definitely subscribe to the Vincent AI. New guides like this drop every week. Thanks for hanging out with me. Can't wait to see what kind of worlds you'll create next. Bye-bye, my friends.
So boring. There's nothing to play. What's happening? Help me! Wow, this robot city is incredible. I've never seen anything like it. Hi there. Are you Robo? You look so friendly. Whoa, look at all these cool gadgets. This place is amazing. This roller coaster is awesome. Hold on tight, Robo. Goodbye, Robo. Thanks for the adventure. Wait, was it all just a dream?